Hi, I'm Grace from Wilson Agents, and today I bring you this spacious, well-appointed 3-bedroom townhouse, which is tucked away off Charles Street, located right here in Melbourne's most lively bayside suburb, St Kilda. The property is all about high-end finishes, and this is evident the moment you walk through the front door. Soaring ceilings, large room sizes, thick Jarrah hardwood floors and large glass windows separate this home from today's new builds. The living, dining and kitchen areas are northeast facing, so they capture all the morning sunlight. The kitchen is newly renovated with granite bench tops, plenty of storage, stainless steel appliances and gas cooking. The dining area is conveniently located opposite the breakfast bench, and it steps out to another entertainer's terrace, which is just perfect for firing up the barbecue on a summer's evening. All the lights, speakers and the projector are smart wired and can be controlled via your mobile device. Upstairs, the bedrooms are queen-sized with cathedral ceilings. They have loads of storage and the master with an additional walk-in robe. They are separated and serviced by 2 bathrooms, one with a spa and the other with a double shower. The home is secure and in a group of only 7 townhouses, 6 of which are owner-occupied. Downstairs, this massive secure double garage is a rare find. It is accessed at the rear, and due to the secure gated entrance and small community of homes, it also makes the perfect spot for kids to play. It's tucked away from the main street. There is a further bedroom downstairs, which is serviced by another bathroom, perfect for guests, or it could easily be converted into a second living area. Where else would you prefer to be this summer? Imagine living so close you can literally walk to Carlisle Street, Ackland Street, Windsor, the St Kilda Botanical Gardens, Albert Park Lake and St Kilda Beach. This home is so convenient in every respect. It's spacious, low maintenance, it's in excellent condition, and it's just ready for its new owners to move in and enjoy. I'm Grace from Wilson Agents, and Graham and I look forward to showing you this property at one of our inspections.